Good morning, fifth grade. We're going to take a look at our first part of our mystery poems. Um, this is just the doc or the slides that it looks like. Um, when you click into this, you'll hit present to read through all of them. So if I already hit present, I'd go. But look at the second slide. Second slide just says, make sure you're writing your answers on a Google Doc titled Insert Your Name. So for me, it'd be Mr. Ops, Mystery Poem Answers. That is shared with me. And then good luck, and if you can't figure out a poem, that's okay. Just try the best you can. So just make sure that before you start this, you come over here, you go to a Google Docs, you create a new one. Your title is going to be your name, so mine will be Mr. Ops. And you can do MP for mystery poem. You can just do A2 mystery poem answers. And then if you come over here and you see this 1, 2, 3, hit numbered list. Well, there it has 1. So then you can just start making it. So, whatever you end up thinking the first answer is, you'd hit that. So let's just say for whatever reason, I think the first answer is a flag, right? And then I'd hit enter, and then I'd have my next one. And then you keep going from there, okay? And then just make sure that you have that shared with me. And you can go back in between the two. If you would like to hit present on this, you can, but then maybe you would want to be reading or writing your answers down in a notebook and then transfer it to a Google Docs, just because it's kind of hard to go back and forth. Or you can just kind of just go right down the line and read through them like that. We have 12 for today. We'll do the rest on Wednesday. Best of luck, and I hope you have fun reading through these.